When a statement is executed inside a function, all the variables and corresponding variable values are deleted. In certain situations, we want local variables to retain their value so they can be used elsewhere. To do so, we can use the static keyword when declaring the variable. As shown in this example, we've set up a function named test1. Inside this function, we've declared a static variable x and assigned an initial value of 10. Next, we have an echo statement to output the value of x, followed by the x++ statement, which will increment the value of x by 1 every time the function is executed. As we can see here below, we've executed this function 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Each time it outputs the value of x plus 1, starting with an initial value of 10. So you can see that in our web browser, the initial value is 10, which is also the initial value of our x variable. Since we've used a static keyword, that variable value is stored, and every time the function runs again, it takes that stored value and adds 1 to it. So after the initial 10, we'd have 11, 12, and 13, and that you can see is correct. It's in our web browser.